Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing us a little thing today. I've been looking at on a lot of videos on YouTube, searching for the location of starter relay of this Toyota model 203. Although this is applied to 203 to 208, what the video I'm seeing, none of them really shows the location of starter relay. So I want to use this diagram to show us where the location really is. From this diagram that you are seeing on my screen, you can see the location of the fuse box behind the dash. So a lot of the YouTube content creator will tell you that you can find the starter relay on the left hand side of the fuse box, but this is not true. Actually, the starter relay is located at the right hand side, at the top side of the dash. So this is where you can locate your starter relay if you have any problem with your starter. So on my next video, I will show you the wire diagram and connection. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel.